Now you can create real movie style videos with just your ideas. It's faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. No camera, no crew, just your imagination. Welcome to the future of filmmaking with Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. So let's get this video started. So I am on Higgsfield website on the upwards section right here. You will find Cinema Studio 2.0. So this is my previous projects I created. These are the images and these were the videos created through these images. So for this video, we will have just a different approach. These were just cinematic videos, but now we will create some of action type videos. So for that, we will be using ChatGPT for prompt writing. So first I will just simply hit on new project. This will make me a new project, and now I will just first create the image. So in the free version of ChatGPT, I will write a prompt. So create. So I have given ChatGPT a prompt to write me. So I have given ChatGPT a prompt to generate me an image. This will give us a prompt professional one. I have just told camera, lens, and focal length, and now I will just simply hit here. It will write me like this. You can see 35 millimeter lens and all that. So this is our prompt. I will just simply copy all of this, and now I will just move back here. I will just simply paste it like this. Now we want, I will just hit on four images so that we can differentiate between different images, and in these values I will hit on 4K. And for the grid one, you can also choose the grid. This is the new option, so I can choose 4 by 4. And now from here, this is the main thing. I will just simply move here. I will make the focal length here, and you can just also go in all and you can make manually, or you can just go to recommended, and it will also you can recommend some good sizes like that. So I can just simply hit here save setup. So once you go and saves, you will find your own presets. Now once this is done, I can just simply you can also attach some character references elements like as well. Now once this is done, you can just simply hit on generate. So you can see the images are started to generate. So once this is done, I will show you the final results, and then we can just simply use the Cinema Studio to create some magic. So one thing I did bad to create this into a 4 by 4 grid. So I will just simply move it to 1 by 1 grid, and now we will just simply generate this image. So if I move in this image, you will find all of that. So all the images created here, you can also use these as references. So for this one, we can just simply, this is looking just some intense. So I will just simply click on reference, or you can just simply hit on download to download it. So I will just simply move in the video section, and from here you have to describe your scene. So this is the one image I just showed it. So now I will move back to chat gpt and write me. So I have given a prompt to give us a prompt to animate this video. So this is the animate. You can see this is the references of gladiator, lord of the rings, two towers, and all that. So I will just simply copy this whole prompt, and I will move back to this. Now I will just simply paste the prompt here. Now magic happens here. You will see you will get a single shot, multi shot, audio, auto, and manual. So I will just simply hit on simple shot, and from here you can just simply select your movement. So I will just simply move here, and this is the camera movement. So you can select once you just place the cursor on this, I will see the reference. So you can see, so want zoom out, zoom in, or camera follows, so all that. So I will choose camera follows, and now I will just simply delete it. And you can see this is the speed ramp. So you can just simply click here, and you can just click on auto as well, or you can click on custom. So for the custom one, you can just simply make these graphs to something like this. So once this is approximately here, I will just simply make this to something like here. So what will happen in this graph like this? The first at the start, where video will be fast, and then gradually it will become slow, then again move fast, then come slow, and then again. So for the seconds, I will just simply, this is a fight scene, so I will just simply go with uh, 19 seconds, so sorry, 12 seconds. And now from here you can choose your reference, and this will be the aspect ratio. I will go with 16 by 9, and I want to make the audio available. And now I will just simply hit on 4 as well, because we need 4 shots, and this is our start frame. So I will just go in the image generations, and I will choose this one as our start frame. And if you want the end frame, you can just simply hit on end frame image generations, and you can go and choose any of this. So I won't be choosing that. And once this is all done, you can just simply hit on generate button. So it won't take a lot of time. So once this is generated, I will show you the final result. So stay tuned. So you can see this is the result we got. I will just simply let it play and show you. You can see the realism at the end of this, just like that, a bit of motion blur that we talked about in our prompt, and you can see all that. So at the start, the camera is, you can see fast, then gradually after this point it becomes slow. So this is how you can create this. Now we also have another versions of this as well. So you can see this version as well. This becomes slow, and then gradually it moves, camera follows them, and you can see like this. So there are 4 versions of this. This is another version. I will just let it play and show you. So you can see this. I will attach it in the video as well. Now once this is done, I will just simply move to another scene. So I have given this prompt of a boy happily playing his garden. So we want this to be a comedy scene. The last one was a bit dark, so we will just move with that. I will just copy this, sorry, paste this prompt, and I will just simply hit on generate. You can see all of these settings. I want 4 size of images as usual. Our aspect ratio will be 16 by 9, and the resolution will be 4K. And for the grid, if you want one by one, this is the one by one results. And for this, you can see this is the 4 by 4. If you want 3 by 3, you can just choose 2 by 2, 3 by 3, all that. So the results will be different. These are 1 by 1, and these are 4 by 4 grid style. So this is a new update to Xfield's generation platform. So you can see this result as well, the result being generated. So I will just simply zoom it in. These are being loaded, so the quality is a bit bad for now. Once it is fully loaded, you can see the quality. So this is the image as well. You can see now the quality of this. Once I zoom it, you can see. So once this is done, I want the image, sorry, I liked this image better, so I will just simply hit on download, or you can just simply click on it and make sure to just use this as a reference. Or you, now once this is done, I will just simply move to the video sections, and the start frame, I will just simply go with image generations, and these were the images we generated. So I will be using this image, and for the speed ramp, I will just now take it to auto. I want the duration to be approximately 7 seconds. And now for the camera, I will just simply hit on zoom out, because it is an a wholesome moment. So most of the creators use this. Now once this is done, I will just simply move here. And in the general section, I forgot to tell in the first part. So if you want action one, you can just simply hit on action. And for horror one, you can click on horror. And for comedy, you can click on comedy. There is western, suspense, intimate, spectacle. So you can use whatever you want. So the this theme of this animation is comedy, so I will just simply hit on comedy as well. And now once this whole is done, I will just enable the sound. And now I want just 2 videos, so I will just simply hit this, and now I will just hit on generate. So it will start the creation of our videos. So once this is done, I will see the final results. And so now you can see one of our videos generated. I will just simply hit on play, and just you can see the final results. So you can see all of that, and this is being generated. I will just simply attach it at the start of the video. So once this is you can see this is also created a different theme, a camera lens of just a dream sequence, like it's a dream or at the starting of a movie. So you can see at the background, you can see this scene, and this kids also comes in. So That's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.